This is a world-famous helmet because it belongs to a legendary driver, Hans-Joachim Stuck. In 1971, his girlfriend put the 9 white stars on his helmet, which made Stuck uniquely identifiable. He entered countless races with it. One race was especially memorable, the 24-hour of Le Mans in 1987.
Yeah, it's going to be difficult because especially now at the start, which tires, intermediates, rain tires, so it's going to be a tough decision. It's going to be also tough in the first laps on the straightaway, lots of steam, water, and I tell you what, it's not so good, but we will see.
The weather is crazy. The start and finish straight is bone dry, but it's raining on a few other parts of the course. Hazardous puddles on the Mulsanne straight keep causing yellow flags to fly. At 10:28 at night, Stuck takes over the Porsche 962C from his teammate. He's 1 lap behind. Stuck pushes the car to the limit. After a good 20 laps, he takes the lead. 3 stints later, he climbs out of the car completely exhausted. The 962C has the lead and doesn't give it up before crossing the finish line.
We have good fuel consumption and I drive as hard as I can. And it's unbelievable how good the car works, you know.
This was the toughest race of Hans-Joachim Stuck's life. His dark blue helmet with the white stars will never be forgotten.